Hello everyone, my name is Manvi Sinha and I study in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My subject name is Principles of Programming using C and its code is 22POP1323. My section is ECHR and my today's topic is Industrial Automation. Writing software for automated manufacturing process. Firstly, we will talk about the purpose of the application. Industrial automation is a cornerstone of modern manufacturing, revolutionizing production process across industries. The purpose of developing software for automated manufacturing process is to streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and ensure precision. By leveraging software, machines and systems can perform repetitive tasks with accuracy, speed, and consistency, significantly reducing human error and increasing productivity. Moreover, automation software facilitates real-time monitoring and control, enabling rapid adjustments to optimize production cycles and respond swiftly to changes in demand or variables within the manufacturing environment. Ultimately, the goal of industrial automation software is to maximize output, minimize cost, improve product quality, and create a more sustainable and competitive manufacturing landscape. Introduction. In this presentation, we will explore the streamlining of manufacturing process through the development of C language software for industrial automation. We will discuss the benefits and challenges of this approach and its impact on the manufacturing industry. Industrial automation. Industrial automation involves the use of control systems to operate equipment and process in manufacturing. It aims to increase efficiency, reduce human intervention, and improve safety. The use of C language software plays a crucial role in this automation. Challenges in manufacturing. Manufacturing process often face challenges such as downtime, quality control, and production bottlenecks. Developing C language software for industrial automation can address these challenges by optimizing process and increasing productivity. Benefits of C language software. The use of C language software offers advantages such as high performance, portability, and low-level hardware access. These benefits are essential for developing efficient and reliable solutions for industrial automation. Streamlining manufacturing process. Streamlining manufacturing process involves optimizing workflows, reducing waste, and improving overall efficiency. The development of C language software enables precise control and coordination of equipment, leading to streamlined operations. Real-time control and monitoring. C language software enables real-time control and monitoring of industrial process, allowing for immediate response to changes and potential issues. This capability is crucial for ensuring smooth and efficient manufacturing operations. Integration with existing systems. The development of C language software for industrial automation allows for seamless integration with existing manufacturing systems and equipment. This integration enhances interoperability and enables a cohesive approach to automation. Security and reliability. Ensuring the security and reliability of industrial automation systems is paramount. C language software development includes robust security measures and rigorous testing to guarantee the safety and stability of manufacturing process. Future trends in industrial automation. The future of industrial automation will continue to rely on advancements in C language, software development. Emerging trends such as machine learning and IoT integration will further enhance the capabilities and efficiency of manufacturing process. The C features and constructs utilized in the development. In the development of software for automated manufacturing process, various features and constructs of the C programming language are commonly utilized for their efficiency and control. C's ability to directly access memory locations through pointers is crucial for interfacing with hardware and optimizing performance in industrial automation. Additionally, its support for low-level manipulation and bitwise operations allows for fine-grained control over data representation, which is valuable when working with sensors, actuators, and other machinery. Alternatives available and its strength. One alternative to C in the realm of industrial automation is Python. Python's strength lies in its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Unlike C, Python is a high-level language with a concise syntax, making it easier to write and maintain code. Its extensive libraries and frameworks such as NumPy and SciPy provide powerful tools for data analysis and scientific computing, which are crucial in processing data from sensors and making informed decisions in automated manufacturing. Advantages of using C to develop this application. Using C for developing applications in industrial automation offers several distinct advantages. Firstly, C is known for its high performance and efficiency. In the context of automated manufacturing process, where real-time responsiveness and low-level hardware control are critical, C's ability to directly manipulate memory and interface closely with hardware components allows for optimal utilization of system resources. This low-level control enables developers to fine-tune the software to meet specific timing constraints, ensuring precise coordination between different elements of the manufacturing machinery. Conclusion. In conclusion, the development of C language software plays a pivotal role in streamlining manufacturing process and advancing industrial automation. Its impact on efficiency, control, and integration will continue to shape the future of manufacturing. Thank you.